Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you are doing well. Subscribe my channel, like, comment and share my video with your family and friends. Here's some master bedroom ideas. What do primary bedroom, honor, a suite and master bedroom all have in common? More than one might think these distinct real estate terms all refer to the same domestic space, the largest bedroom in a home likely within suite bath of the three master bedroom is the one currently being re-examined, leading many industry professionals to phase it out of their lexicons altogether. The Black Lives Matter movement, which was reinvigorated last summer following the murder of George Floyd, and led many field to face internal recognizing of their own. Companies, managers, and employees are considering how to create inclusive work environments and dismantle system of white supremacy within their respective industries. Subscribe my channel, like, comment, and share my video with your family and friends. Design and architecture are not exempt from these compositions, especially as a field that predominantly white. Many believes that an important step is removing loaded language from the vocabulary and implying a concept of dominance and ownership with which a modern day room need not be imbued. Some claim masters just refers to size their then slave owners quarter. Still others acknowledge this legacy of the term but question whether a linguistic update is an important use of time and energy might addressing other areas of racism and treating domestic workers with dignity take priority over a terminology refresh. Though there is no singular consonants, leaders in the field are recognizing their language choices and the master bedrooms. Subscribe my channel, like, comment and share my video with your family and friends. And thanks for watching my video.